Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, it's a car video. We're gonna install this bad boy. I showed you, if everyone follows me on Instagram, which I will try to put somewhere, I showed how much slack is in the stock mount. It's pretty bad. And for a lot of people that have Genesis, they know that the transmission mount, plus a few other little things, is the problem for second gear lockouts. So instead of, it has locked out on me already, even from the drive from Ottawa. So instead of just screwing around with it, I thought, well, I'm just gonna get the mount and put it in and be done with it. So that's what this video, how to put in this mount. Stay tuned. Alright, so we are under the car, and again, I can't stress it enough. If you don't have a lift and you're using jack stands, use the jack stands. So the first thing you should do is put your jack and support your transmission so it doesn't just fall out. It shouldn't, but you never know. These are 14s, so just take these suckers out. And then you have 4 bolts in here. I believe they're the same. They are not. They are not. They are probably 12. That's right. 12 bolts. Wow. Do you have power tools, air tools? We're good. I think we're good. That's what Okay, I didn't want to show you all the boring parts about taking the bolts out of these, and plus I needed to get in there anyways, but this is the example of how much play is in the stock bushing. As you can see, she moves, and a lot, and I'm not using that much force to do it. So way too much play in this. So the simple part is just gonna take it out. Sorry, 2 here. Okay, so had to use a little bit of a pry bar to get the actual cross member off. So here's a cross member. It's all off. Now just gonna unbolt these 4. So you got 2 here, 2 here, and you got a ground. Don't forget to put the ground back on. So and I already kind of broke these, so that way I had a little bit more room. It's kind of hard to work with the camera down here. One, 2, and next person. Okay, 2 nuts, 2 bolts. Okay, thanks. Yeah, that is good. 2 nuts, 2 bolts. Okay. Here is the 2 side by side. They look pretty similar, but this one's got way better rubber on it. Like, look at, I can compress this with my hand. This, not so much, not so much. So we'll put that back in and... Okay, so new mount in stock, or placed in. 4 bolts, 2 bolts, 2 nuts. Don't forget to put the ground. Oh, wait, let me get out of this. Okay. There's a ground strap right here, but don't forget to put that back on. Now, what's left is to attach this. Now, for this thing, 4 nuts. And what's there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them all in first. Where you at? Head in. That means all one probably. How do you think else? Okay. Once you get the bolts, the little nuts in there, there's 4 of them. Get them all on. So these are on, these are on, these are on. The only thing I gotta do is this, and look at the difference. I'm actually pulling this
quite a bit. It's not moving very easy. Not like the other one. So this should get rid of your second gear lockout. So, like I said, this one, oh, these only go on one way. Make sure you put it on the right way first. I did that already. They just come all forward, like so. Check your chain on it.
So that's pretty much the install on the Mega Racing transmission mount. It's not very hard, just takes a little bit of time, and that's it. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. You guys like the video? Like it down in the comments, or like it, give me a comment if you want. Lots of stuff coming. These guys, these are subframe bushings. So I'll explain those in another video when I install them, but I don't have enough time to do that today. I was going to do both, but not going to happen. Another day. So I have stair stuff I have to edit. I have a boatload of editing. So there's gonna be a lot of editing. There should be some videos probably consistently soon. I have more stuff coming. It's just time. That's all pretty much it is. So yeah, that's it. So that's all I got today. So see you next time with whatever I have. Bye for now. Really?